In this week's Higher Ed Highlights, a new era in state government began this week with the inauguration of Governor Mike DeWine and Lieutenant Governor John Husted. And among those joining the cabinet of the new administration is a new chancellor. Governor DeWine appointed former state senator Randy Gardner to head the Ohio Department of Higher Education. Gardner, a 33-year legislator who served in both the Ohio House and Ohio Senate, is the agency's 10th chancellor. For the past 8 years, he served as chairman of the Finance Higher Education Subcommittee. Chancellor Gardner spent part of a busy first week at a welcome meeting with ODHE staff, where he said he's honored to be part of the new administration. Chancellor Gardner took time during the meeting to introduce new Senior Vice Chancellor Mike Duffy, a former state representative who also brings a wealth of higher ed-related legislative experience to his new position. The Chancellor's first week also included a hometown campus visit to Bowling Green State University, where he joined new Attorney General Dave Yost for the opening of the university's new Center for the Future of Forensic Science. The center, the result of a public-private partnership, allows BGSU to be one of the nation's leaders in producing crime scene investigators, practicing forensic scientists, and other professionals in the field of law enforcement. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed, and check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.